So in this Expedia tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the display appearance here on the Expedia application. So the first thing you have to do is open up Expedia. Once that is done, I want you to go to the bottom right here and press on the account button. Once you're here, I want you to go ahead and press on settings. Once you're here on settings, go to where it says display appearance right here. So for me, it actually is on auto, but if you were to go ahead and press on this right here, you can actually change the appearance of your display to light or dark. So if you wanted to go ahead and change it to dark mode right here, press on dark, press on exit, and now your Expedia app is actually in dark mode. If you want to go ahead and change it back, go to the bottom right, same thing, press on display appearance right here. You can press on light or press on auto. So whatever you want to do, exit out of there, and now the appearance is back to whatever you're looking for. So super simple, super straightforward, but that is how to edit the display appearance here on the Expedia application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.